Alright, guys. God damn. Getting sick, Dakota, today. God damn. Dog, shut the fuck up. Swear to God. Dad, why take you so long? I've been sitting here for 6 hours. I need some water. My lips are bleeding. I swear to God. Did I get you? Like this video if I got you. Yeah. And 6. And firing. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want to have to spend 3 days fixing this son bitch again. Yeah, and it did actually take that long because I had to get like a rod to push the damn shit out. That was breaking. Alrighty, Roo. Let's go see the damage I inflicted. Right away, you see all that shit that I've been shooting at? That right there mostly. As you can see, I've been shooting around it all day. Right there is where I hit last. And then I shot a couple times into this sumbitch. I shot once into that. So, I'm gonna go in because I'm cold as shit. And I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Bye!